Today I'm going to show you how to link OneDrive with your Microsoft account in Windows 11 step by step in just a few minutes. This is a super useful setup if you want your files backed up, synced across devices, and easy to access from anywhere. Once OneDrive is connected, you can save documents, photos, and important files to the cloud without having to worry about losing them if something happens to your PC. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu on Windows 11. Once the search box appears, type OneDrive. You should see Microsoft OneDrive show up in the results. Go ahead and open Microsoft OneDrive. This will launch the OneDrive setup process on your computer. Now, you'll be asked to sign in. At this point, enter the Microsoft email address that you want to link with OneDrive. This could be an Outlook email, a Hotmail email, or even a Microsoft account connected to another email address like Gmail. Just make sure it's the account you want to use for syncing your files. After typing your email address, click Sign In. Next, enter your password for that Microsoft account. Once you've typed it in, click Next. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may also need to confirm your identity with a code or approval prompt. That's completely normal and helps keep your account secure. After that, OneDrive may ask you to choose a folder location on your PC. This is where your OneDrive files will be stored locally so they can sync with the cloud. If you're not sure what to choose, you can usually leave the default location and continue. Then click Next through the setup screens until you reach the final step. OneDrive may also show you a few options about backup or syncing your desktop, documents, and pictures. If you want those folders protected and synced automatically, you can enable them during setup. This is a great option if you want an extra layer of backup and easier access to your most important files. Once the setup is complete, click Open My OneDrive folder. This will take you straight into your OneDrive folder in File Explorer, where you can start dragging in files, creating folders, and letting Windows 11 sync everything to your Microsoft account. From here, OneDrive will continue running in the background and keep your files updated whenever you make changes. And that's it. You've successfully linked OneDrive with your Microsoft account in Windows 11. It's a simple setup, but it can make a huge difference when it comes to backup, file access, and productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows 11 guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.